Have you ever engaged with or shared a post online without verifying its credibility? In today's digital age, it is easy to come across and even spread misinformation without realizing it. But this can have serious consequences. Understanding the truth before sharing is more important than ever. We face numerous problems due to the misinformations. This could negatively affect our logical, ethical, and social aspects. That's why verifying information should not just be a habit, it's a responsibility. Logically, sharing false information could cause numerous issues. It can have legal repercussions, fake news can manipulate opinions, mislead the public, and create unnecessary fear. Misinformation can distort one's belief and life, which could affect one's logical and object thinking. Ethically, media faces issues wherein certain posts, contents, and comments harm others, spreading negativity and initiating harm. Misinformation about certain topics and harmful contents can lead to confusion and panic. On a societal level, misinformation divided the communities, fueled the misunderstanding, and weakens the trust in legitimate news sources. People tend to believe and sharing information that aligns with their pre-existing beliefs, even if it is false, causing the distrust within societies. False information about government, healthcare, or the media can cause the widespread distrust.
Despite these challenges, we can practice the power of critical thinking and responsible sharing. Through these actions, like evaluating sources, cross-checking information, and questioning the credibility of the content before sharing, we can help combat misinformation. The good news? There are tools available to help you navigate this digital landscape responsibility. One of the best resources is MediaWise. At MediaWise, you can engage in interactive lessons to identify credible sources and understand digital content. Participate in fact-checking challenges to sharpen your ability to separate fact from fiction. And access expert insights on digital privacy, online security, and responsible content sharing. MediaWise equips individuals with the skills to spot misinformation and make informed decisions in the digital world. By providing an engaging education and fact-checking tools, it empowers users to think critically and share responsibly.
The information we share online matters. Through the use of MediaWise, we can verify sources and think critically before engaging. We promote media literacy, prevent misinformation, and uphold ethical and legal standards. Be informed and be responsible.